Hey up, Sammy. Starting early.
No, I just come to see if you'd heard out. Well, Lydia's stuck at work, but Kim won't notice me missing for a bit.
Well, nothing yet, but you know what courts can be like.
Should have gone.
Well, it's what Marlon wanted, and we have to respect that.
Do you reckon he were right about getting bail?
I'm sure we'll find out soon enough. It's like Paddy says. It's a serious charge, so who knows?
Oh, come on. He's innocent. Just stop fretting.
I wish I could, but unfortunately it's the court who decides, not our wishful thinking.
I might as well have a pint now, mate.
Hey, Vanessa sent me home. I couldn't concentrate.
Oh, I hope she's not giving you any grief.
Of course not. She was dead nice.
Good. Let Jamie be the lackey for once. Bless you. Stop him acting like the big I am.
I don't even want to think about him. He's just as bad as the rest of the family. Just want to concentrate on Marlon.
Yeah, good for you. Got an orange juice.
We're gonna have record takings down at this rate, aren't we?
Hey, how you doing?